Today I want to talk to you about how you can improve your smile. You see, I get a lot of people coming to me wanting to have a brighter, better looking smile. Now, placing veneers is one of the most popular ways to achieve that. Now, when we look at your smile, we look at the color of your teeth, the shape of your teeth, and also the position of your teeth. And placing veneers can address all three aspects of that and give you a bright, beautiful smile. Now, there are two types of veneers. One is the low-cost option of placing composite veneers, and the other option is the more premium, better-looking, longer-lasting porcelain veneers. Both options can give you a fantastic result. Once you have decided that placing porcelain veneers is the best option to improve your smile, we start our process. First, we take some photos and videos of your existing teeth. Then, we take a digital scan and digitally design your new teeth and try that in your mouth. We call this stage a mock-up stage. At this point, you can see how your new teeth will look, and then we can proceed to our final step, which is placing the actual porcelain veneers in your mouth. Once we have done all these steps, you can see that everything can look beautiful and nice and feel great. We can achieve a predictable, fantastic result by following these steps. There are two types of veneers. Composite veneers, which is your low-cost, short to medium-term option, which can still give you a great result. They typically last for about 5 to 7 years, and after that time, you may need to replace them as they may begin to chip or start to stain a little. Now, if you're looking for a more long-term option, porcelain veneers is what you want to go for. They look better, they last longer, and they feel better. Porcelain veneers can typically last over 10 years, perhaps even 20 years. The option that you choose is entirely up to you and will be based on your preference. One of the most important aspects of analyzing your smile is to take videos. These days, we don't want just a smile that looks great on a photo. We also want to analyze your smile dynamically. So what we did here for David was we took some videos, and David really didn't like the way his top front teeth looked. We decided that we would place 6 porcelain veneers on his top teeth, and you can see by taking videos from all different angles that he was really happy with how everything looked afterwards. Now, this is only one step of the journey for David, as he may even look at correcting his bottom front teeth in the future. And I think it's a huge improvement.